my God, I got to take a picture of this. Who is going to have a pet?
Chandler would have a field day. Chandler, this is Aunt Sarah seeing a T-Rex in the toy store. Like serious, Chandler. Oh, I think he's gone to sleep. Oh, he's looking at us. Oh no.
He really did.
Francis is terrified of it.
At me. That's scary. He's still looking at me.
You think he's gonna eat us, Chandler?
Keep up.
Oh my goodness.
That is creepy.
Spider-Man.
Wait.